A ribbon-cutting ceremony was held today at the new Dr. Roberto L. Jimenez Restoration Center. The center, located near the Haven for Hope campus on North Frio Street, offers service to those struggling with addictions. Dr. Jimenez says the project was a long time in the making.
People suffering from the addictions, and this place will restore them back to a normal life, to reintegrate themselves in the society where they belong.
Dr. Bobby Jimenez is honored to support programs that offer those struggling with a fresh start.